别点，你别点。先别点。
你到底是使用流量券吗？
对，我在用流量券。
OK。
好了，可以了，你们开始吧。
开始。
Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to our channel. This is Rachel.
Hi, this is Chloe. Nice to meet you here.
It's our pleasure to meet you here. We hope we can spend a happy time together.
Yeah. Okay, let me introduce our company firstly. Our company is a new steel foreign trading company and integrating the production and sales in the world. Since the establishment of our company, we have been adhering to the customer demand as the center, in line with the principle of integrated management. And our company guarantees the quality of the products. We have the strong financial strength and advanced management experience, also strict monitoring system. And our excellent goods have won the good reputation from our customers in the world, and also won the trust and support of many steel mills in China. Yeah.
And we also welcome our customers to come to our warehouse and factory to inspect the goods.
Yes.
But due to the epidemic now, many customers can't come to our warehouse and factory to inspect the quality. So you can find the professional third party to inspect the goods, such as SGS, BV. We trust some professional agencies. We are glad to cooperate with you to inspect the quality.
Yeah, okay. So today's live streaming product is a stainless steel, just like the pipe in my hand. The material is stainless steel, and the grade is 304. First, let me introduce the conception of stainless. Yeah, stainless steel. And the stainless steel is it's also called acid-proof stainless steel, and in practical application, it is often called the weak corrosive medium corrosion. And due to the chemical composition difference between the two, the former are not necessarily medium resistant to chemical corrosion. Yeah, and okay. For chemical composition, chromium is a basic element of the stainless steel. It is around 12% in steel. Inscription and the oxygen function of corrosive medium. In the surface of stainless, it forms a thin layer, of oxide film. Because it can prevent the steel base further corrosion. In addition to the inscription, the commonly used alloying elements are nickel, aluminum, titanium, niobium, and copper, hydrogen, and so on.
Yes.
In order to meet the requirements of various kinds of application of our customer, there are many usage on the microstructure and mechanical properties of stainless steel. Yeah, we have known about the conception of this product, this stainless steel. Then we need to know its classification. How many types or kinds of this material? We will let Rachel to tell us. Yeah.
Okay. Normally, we divided into the stainless steel into into four cans. The first one is the ferritic stainless steel. It engages in containing 12 to 13%.
Yes.
Its corrosion resistance, toughness, and weldability with the chromium content increase with the increase of vapors. Stress corrosion resistance is superior to other types of stainless steel.
Yeah. Okay. For the second type is authentic stainless steel. For the chromium, the elements, it is more than 18%. Yeah, and also contains about 8% nickel, small amounts of mesh, titanium, ammonia, and other elements. Yeah. So in the authentic stainless, the main elements, the main chemical element is chromium. Yes. And for this type of stainless, it has good comprehensive performance, corrosion resistant to a variety of media.
Yes.
And next one is what?
The third one is the authentic ferritic duplex stainless steel. It has the advantages of both authentic and ferritic stainless steel, and has the superplastic. And we can say from the name of this stainless steel, this stainless steel combined with the authentic and the ferritic stainless steel. So the price of this steel will be more expensive, and the quality of this stainless steel is also higher than the previous two stainless steel. Okay, the final case is the martensite stainless steel.
Yes.
It has high strength, but the plasticity and the weldability is poor than the other three stainless steel. Yes. And for this kind of stainless steel, we can also provide. If you have need for this for the stainless steel, you can contact our service staff. They will help you immediately and confirm the order.
Yes. And welcome to our live streaming. Yeah. If you like us, please follow us and give your likes. Yeah. And then I will introduce the surface of stainless steel to you. The first normal is no one surface. Yeah. For its method, it is a hot rolled to specify thickness, annealing and disculing a rough metal surface. For its application, usually used in tank, chemical industry equipment, and so on. Yeah. And the next surface is number 2D. The method is different from the no one surface because it is after cold rolling, yeah, and then heat treatment and pickling process. The medical rolling products are more softer in material, yes, and also the surface usually in silvery white, like like this color, silvery, more silver, yeah. So yeah, and for this sample, the surface is no one, yeah, like just now I introduced to you. For the surface, it is we can hear from the sound. It usually used in industrial equipment, yeah, so that it can be suitable for material. For 2D 没有是吧？
这里唐鲁是有询盘吗？
汤鲁，刚刚没有，现在刚来了一个。
Okay, I say, one audience says he need 201.
那个啥来了一个
J3.
Are you factory?
24 millimeters.
不是小孩知道了。
425 coils. Okay, you can contact our service staff. They will help you.
转给你了。
唐鲁
的转给你了。
Yeah, if you have any questions, just contact our service staff. And also you can check our goods box to see whether you are interested in our products. Yeah, thanks for watching our live streaming. If you like us, please give us some likes.
Okay, then we have we have 2B surface. We have 2B surface. The method of 2B surface is the no 2D after treatment. After the final polishing rod, a mild cold rolling in order to obtain appreciate light gels. This is the most commonly used surface processing. The processing is also can be used as the first step of polishing.
2B.
I make
对手转给你。
又转给我一个。
这不是。他们拿分手也差不多。看为啥呀？这会儿挺亮的，我记得挺亮的。
你们挺亮的话就直着展示，这样不要侧着，不要斜着，对，直。
Like this. This surface is bright. Maybe you can see, or maybe this plate can reflect your image.
Yes.
And the 2B surface, it always used in the general materials such as industry equipment and some decoration. 2B surface are commonly used. And then here is a 0.3 surface. The method of this surface is with a reserve belt grading.
这人是关注我们。
我感觉他还挺什么的。
Yeah, our friends, if you like our live streaming, please give us some likes. And if you want to get our catalog or interested in our products, please contact our service staff as soon as possible. Thank you. 观看次数50。
With observed belt grading 100 to 120 has better growth, has not the coarse grain in section. This method is not very normally used, but some customers also need this service. This service was commonly used in building interior and exterior decoration materials and electrical products and kitchen equipment, etc. That is to say, if you want some plate, bowls, or some pot or knife, you can use this NO.3 surface.
Okay, next one, number 4说了吗？
没说，你说。
Okay, next surface is number 4 surface. Yeah, the method for the method it is 150 and 180 with partial size abrasive belt grinding out product, and it has better gloss, discontinuous coarse grain strip than no 3 stainless steel. It is all used selenium optical surface. For its application, usually used in such as bathroom, building inside, and inside and outside decoration materials. Yeah. So sometimes when we can see many decoration in some buildings. Yeah. Normally it is made by stainless steel. Yeah, and also the surface is usually number 4. Yeah, and it is also can applied in electrical appliances. Yeah, electrical appliances like the air conditioner and refrigerator. Yeah. For also kitchen equipment, such like the bowl and pot. Many kitchen equipment that are used in our daily life. Yeah. For my 杯子咋说来？搁那怎么说那杯子？我都忘了。Yeah. For this bottle, my water bottle, the material is made by stainless steel, and it has the instructions. Yeah. For the outside of the bottle, it is made by 304, and for inside of my bottle, the material is 316. So we can see that the stainless steel is very commonly used in our daily life. Yes. Okay. Also, the stainless steel can use in food. Yeah. In our kitchen equipment. So we can know that it has many usage and application in the life. So if you need this product and interested in our products, please don't hesitate to contact us. Then we will offer you the best quality product. Okay. Next surface is number 312 surface. Yeah. And for its method, it is with 312 polishing abrasive belt grinding out product. It has better gloss, not even removal of coarse grain, stripes than no 4. Yeah. And for its application, it is usually used in a bathroom, building inside and outside. For its application, it is just similar to the no 4 surface. Yes. Yeah. So the no 4 surface and no 320 surface. It is same. It is nearly the same application and method. Okay. So next one is next one is number 7 surface. Yeah, okay, we can check. For number 7 method, it is by polishing view for grinding. It get close to the surface of mirror, polish mirror. Yeah, just like this sample, just like a mirror, we can reflect ourselves. Yeah, we can take it as a mirror. Yeah, so the surface is very bright. Yeah, it's very bright and polished. Okay, for this type of steel, it is used in the fine arts for the decoration. Yeah, for decoration too. Okay. Okay. Actually, there are many kinds of surfaces of stainless steel. The next one is also very common in our life. It is HL surface. HL surface. 行了，好，我挺多的，其都没有其他的。
Okay, let me introduce the HL surface to you. For the surface, HL surface is a superior surface. It need customized. Yes, you can see the book in my hand. There are many different colors of this surface. For example, here is the red, and this is BXC 5017. It's maybe like a golden surface. You can see this display page.
Yes.
Okay, here is also the HL surface. And in this part, this some maybe.
给你回了，谁给回了？有人给你回。
那个。
你先说着，我给你转回去。
OK。
还有一个新的也转给你。
都是汤鲁。
汤鲁特别多，今天汤鲁已经这才
怎么这个没有啊？那些也没有。
20多分钟已经冲到第5了。
Okay, next one is HL123. There are many. We can check the surface. We can check the surface from the. Yeah, from this one.
这个你转过一次啊，小李。
And for this page, the surface are all the HL123. Yeah, and we can customize for you for different size and colors. Also, surface process, just like polishing and temper. Yeah. Okay, and for the last page, we can observe from it that the material is very gorgeous. Yeah. We can see from its surface, it is very bright and very smooth. Yeah. I touch it and feeling very good.
这个不是我的吧？这是我的，好像是。
B 开头的有2个。
这是因为它留起来了。
B 开头的有2个。
不行，我觉得咱网络处理不了怎么办？以后还是找人。不行。
Yeah. And we can also customize different colors for you, just like the red one and the blue one, many colors. Yeah, so we can customize any thing you want. If you like, just tell us, and talk about the details. Okay, we have known about the HL surface. Next one is the BA surface.
这两个还没回放呢。
For the BA surface, its method is no clear standards. After the code wrote a bright annealing heat treatment process, and tempering of a rolling delay, reflective surface is very high, or close round of polishing of the surface of the mirror polishing. Yeah. For its application, it is more used in in small electrical home appliances products requiring high reflectivity mirror, kitchen equipment, and construction materials. Yeah, and so on. Like the sample in my hand, the surface is BA. For BA, it is also very common in the material. So if you have this requirement, please tell us about the surface so that we can check with our production department factory to customize for you. Yeah. And next one, the next surface is Dow surface. Dow surface. Dow surface.
Okay, the final one is the Dow surface. The method of this surface is with the pitting rule. The no point to be reduce the luster and generate the pitting. Can also reduce the radiation effect. The application of this surface is mainly used for interior and exterior decoration of automobiles and building materials. If you need any service, you can contact our service staff. They will help you to confirm the order with us. Okay. As we all know, there are many types of stainless steel used and properties. For our customers, the most commonly product is 201, 304, and 316.
Yes, very common.
Okay, we will introduce some important materials for you.
啥呀？小李 robot 还有吗 ？robot
是什么？
那个鱼盘，你叫这个名的吗？小琳达回了。
有。
行了，他回了，小琳达回是 robot。
那个是钢的。
OK， 继续呗。
是钢的。
刚来了吗 ？Okay, then we will introduce you the types of stainless steel. For the first type is 200, series 200. It is inscription nickel manganese authentic stainless steel. Just like 201 stainless steel, it is very common in our daily life. Yeah. If you want and for 201, the price is also cheaper than the other type of stainless. Yeah, for this sample, it is 201 stainless steel plate. and the thickness is around 0.34 millimeters. Yeah, and we can observe it. The surface is also very bright and smooth. Yeah, from touching it, we can judge that it is very smooth. The edge is very also smooth. Yeah, this is just one sample. If you want the plate or you want a plate or coil, you can tell us about your size and quantity. We can customize for you. And if you want a sample, just tell us also. We can prepare and send you. We hope that our products can address your requirements. Yeah. For 201, then the series 300, just like very common in our daily life, like 304 and 316. Yeah. For example, this sample is made by series 4, and surface is no one. Yeah. I can touch from it, feeling that the thickness is much thinner, much thicker than this one. Yeah, it is with bigger thickness. And also the weight is higher than this. Okay, this is 304. Except this 301 is a good ductility for molding products. Also, it can through the hardening machine speed. It has good availability and abrasion resistance and fatigue strength. The fatigue strength is better than that of 304 stainless steel. Okay, the corrosion resistance in 32302 to 304 due to the carbon intensity of relatively high, better. 3043 is by adding a small amount of sulfur and for sulfurous to make more sharpening processing. Okay, next one is 316 material.
The stainless steel 316 is usually used for nuclear and nuclear for recycling equipment. Normally 18 or 10 grade stainless steel usually also fits the application level. Model 321, it is a welding additional add because of the titanium reduce the material corrosion risk. Besides other performance similar to 304. Series 4000, it is a ferritic and magnetic stainless steel. The weak 408 stainless steel, it is a good heat. It is a good heat resistance and corrosion resistance because it contains 11% of chromium and 8% of neodymium, and the 409 stainless steel. It is the cheapest model, usually used in automobile exhaust pipe. It is a ferritic stainless steel, which is also named chromium steel.
Yes.
And then it is 410 martensite stainless steel. It engaged in high strength steel, good wear resistance and corrosion resistance is per. Here is also here is also material 440. It has a high strength cutting steel. Carbon is a bit high. After appropriate heat treatment, can obtain higher yield strength and hardness. Can reach 58 HRC. It belongs to the most hardened stainless steel. The most common application example is the razor blade. There are 3 kinds of commonly used models: 440A, 440B, 440C. In addition to 4405, all of the grades has easy processing.
Yes.
And then it's the series 500. It engaged in a heat resistance alloy steel. That is to say, the heat resistance for this material is very good. So if you have the requirements for heat, maybe you can choose this series stainless steel. That is to say, the 500 stainless steel. And the final one is the series 600 stainless steel. It is a magnetic precipitating hardened stainless steel. Here I take one material for example, that is the 630. It is one of the most common precipitation hardened stainless steel models, usually also called 1924. It containing 17 chromium and 4% composition. Here we have a brief introduction of the specific material of stainless steel. Maybe we do not introduce some materials very detailed. But if you want to learn this material or you need this material, you can contact our service staff. They will help you. And then we will introduce the size of the common size of the stainless steel plate and the coil. But if you have some special requirements, you can contact our service staff. But for special size, we have minimum order quantity. Maybe maybe 1 ton, 5 ton, or 10 tons. Different materials have different minimum order quantity. Okay, then Chloris will introduce the first part of the size.
Okay. For size, the volume is divided into cold rolled and hot rolled coil, trimming volume and bronze. Because the cold rolled and hot rolled steel, it is different procedure. And the thickness of a cold rolled coil is commonly 0.3 millimeters. There are 4 to 6 millimeters thickness of manufacture. The width is usually 1 meters. 1 meters or 1,219 meters. Also, we have 1.5 meters in stock and width to be. Okay, the thickness of the hot rolled coil is commonly 3 to 14 millimeters because usually the hot rolled steel is thicker than the cold rolled coil. For example, there are 16 millimeters width, usually 1,250 and 1,800 and 2,000, and with number 1 surface. Okay, we can now take one sample as to measure its size, just like this sample. We can note that the length is around 30 centimeters. Yeah, means 300 millimeters. And for the width, we can measure it. It is around 21 millimeters. Yeah, 21 means 210 millimeters. Okay, for thickness, it is 0.34 millimeters. Because we measure it, yeah, then got the data. Okay. And then we also have width of 1.5 meters and 1.8 meters, and also 2 meters volume for trimming. The width of flash volume is commonly 1,520 and 2,200 and so on. The normal width is wide. Okay, in terms of price, is the volume cutting edges and bronze volume difference between 300 to 500 yuan RMB also commonly. Yes, so different process have different price. If you have some special requirements, just tell us so that we can customize and prepare the products for you. Okay. The volume can be set according to the customer request. Length of the open after cutting machine called a tablet. Yeah. The cold roller generally cutting 1 meter multiply 2 meter or 1,219 multiply 2,438, also called 3 multiply 8 feet. The hot roller in cutting 1.5 meters multiply 6 meters. And 1.8 meters multiply 6 meters, also 2 meters multiply 6 meters. Okay, according to the size of the open core standard plate or scale. And the original tablet is also called a single rolling. Yeah, firstly, the thickness of the original plate generally between 4 millimeter to 80 millimeters, and 100 millimeters and 120 millimeters. The thickness can be set rolling. Yeah, thickness can be set rolling. And secondly, the width is 1.5 meters, 1.8 meters, and 2 meters. Length more than 6 meters. For characteristics, the original tablet large value, okay, high cost, and pickling, but the pickling is difficult, not easy to transport. Yes, so we suggest that the color road because for thickness it is easy to ship it transport.
那是一个人。
对，说完了。为什么讨论这么多？对呀，其他都没有。真服了。再来一遍。先歇会儿也行，说点别的。Yeah.
Okay, so much has been introduced. Do you have any questions?